love them, we hate them. Vending machines. Believe me, when I hate something, I'm doing it with passion. However, you probably seen them by train stations, schools, etc. I was 9 years old. My mom gave me 50 cents so I could buy something from the vending machine. So, I put the money in the machine, selected my food, and waited. And nothing came out. That thing just robbed 50 fucking cents from me. Z, come on. It's just 50 cents. Nigga, you don't understand. I have African parents. They usually don't give money on little children. And it felt like I wasted my money on something stupid. Because you did? I wasn't sad, but disappointed, you know? It sucks. The vending machine just took my money and literally laughed at me. However, it felt like it. You know, I wasn't having it, so I tried beating the shit out of that machine until people couldn't mind their own business and stopped me from getting my own shit. I felt defeated, so I went home without any food. Ladies and gentlemen, don't make the same mistake.